What is up, my loves, and welcome to Vidmas? No. Vlogmas? No. Christmas! What is up, loves? I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys are all excited for this holiday season. If you guys are new, hello. My name is Crystal and thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so excited to be able to be doing Christmas for you guys this year. I told myself last year that I was gonna work super hard and rip a lot of my hair out to be able to do this, and that's exactly what I did. A couple months ago, I did hit 1,000 subscribers and I was kind of sad because I was not able to do any big giveaways, so I'm super excited. Make sure you guys hit the notification bell so you guys are notified every time I post a new video, and be aware, I'm having some massive giveaways in this series, so don't forget to stick around. So normally in a Christmas or a Vlogmas series, there's like 24 videos leading up to Christmas. That's too much for me, so I cut it in half. We're gonna be doing 12 days of Christmas, one video every other day leading up to Christmas. So normally during the holiday season, I'm with either my family or my husband's family, but this year we are going to be staying home. So I thought that I would do a little mini house tour. I'm not super festive, but I tried my hardest. I'm so used to not really decorating my house too much because honestly, I'm not in my house that much during the holiday season, so it will be a little different for me personally this year. But anyways, I thought I'd show you guys what I did, so if you guys are interested, then stay tuned. So this is just our front living room space. So we have our tree and then we just stuck our dog over here. This little fake faux fireplace, I actually picked it up from Amazon. I think it was like $25. And then I just flipped it around and added the marble contact paper to it to make it look a little nicer. I need to find something to add to the base here because it came a little bit smaller than I thought it was going to. And then I think on the top, I'm just gonna add like a garland or something. Right now we just have like a little elf on the shelf and then some little ornaments that we just stuck up there for now. In the inside, this is actually looking really cheesy, so I'm going to paint this black, and then I have some tall candles that I'm gonna stick in here. They're flameless, so that will look really nice when that is finished. We have another tree that we might put up, but we're not exactly sure if we want to put 2 trees up. And then this area over here, we just really need to clean that up. So this space is fairly small. As you can tell, the front door is like right here. So we just added this little bench to add some seating area. We're not really over here that much. It's more to just look cute. And then this is the wreath that we are going to put on the door, but it's not on the door yet because I need to get a command strip for that. And then as you come down the hall, this is the main living room area, and then we have the kitchen over here. So on the table, I just picked these up from Target, and I didn't really have anywhere else to create like a little village, so I thought doing it on the table would be really cute. So this tree I think was $1 from Target, and then so were these like little tree figurines here. I have another one in the back. And the villages, they came in a pack that was also $3. Target dollar section really has like so many great things. And then these little nutcrackers I had already had, so I just kind of stuck them all together to make like this cute little village setting on the table. In the rest of my kitchen, there's not really too much going on, but I did pick up these cute little Christmas towel and mitten set. I think this is adorable. And then that's pretty much it. I probably should stick some stuff up here on like the counters, but I haven't gotten there yet. Over in the main living room, it's pretty simple still over here. I just lit my favorite candle. This is a red velvet candle, or red velvet cake candle from Bed Bath and Body Works. And then I picked up these really cute Christmas pillow covers from Amazon, and it came in a pack of 8. But unfortunately, I did not measure the size of my pillows correctly because these do not fit. So I'm either going to have to return these or just pick up some extra pillows so that I can put these on the couch so it can feel a little bit more Christmassy in this area. So this is just the space that I film in. The only thing I really decorated up here is the little couch. that I film on. So I have this cute little snowman blanket and it says, "There's nobody like a snowman buddy." This is our bonsai tree and I decorated her ugly on purpose. Her name is Benny the bonsai. And I just kind of stuck a couple little ornaments, but it was hard, as you can tell, because it's a bonsai, so there wasn't like a lot of hanging room. And then on the back of the couch, I just wrapped gold and red tinsel and then stuck this cute little elf up here. And then there's like different like Christmassy decorations, like cranberries and apples and all types of stuff. And there's like a little drum set in here. I don't know, I just thought it'd be cute to like stick all this stuff back here and make it look a little bit festive. So yeah, this is the area that you guys will see mainly while I'm filming all my videos. So that is it for the house tour. I told you guys I didn't do a whole lot and there's some things that are still in the works, but I still think my house looks pretty cute. I don't know. You guys let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And as I said earlier, make sure that you hit the notification bell because I have a lot of great videos coming and you're not gonna wanna miss it. I love you guys and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!